Finding the right caregiver for your aging parents is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make. The right person can provide safety, comfort, and peace of mind, while the wrong choice can lead to unnecessary stress and complications. I'm Dale Corpus, a senior transition specialist and real estate expert, helping families in Contra Costa, Alameda, Santa Clara, San Mateo, San Francisco, Solano, and Napa counties navigate senior home sales and transitions. Today, I'll walk you through how to find, vet, and hire the best in-home caregiver for your loved one. Let's dive in. Step 1. Determine your loved one's needs. Before you start the hiring process, it's crucial to understand exactly what kind of care your loved one needs. Here are some things to think about. 1. Assess their daily living needs. Do they need help with bathing, dressing, medication reminders, meal prep, or mobility assistance? Are they struggling with memory issues or safety concerns? 2. Medical versus non-medical care. A non-medical caregiver can assist with daily tasks and companionship. A licensed nurse, RN, or CNA is required for wound care, injections, or medical conditions like diabetes management. 3. Cognitive and emotional support. If your loved one has dementia or Alzheimer's, a caregiver with memory care experience is crucial. Social engagement also matters. Will they need companionship, conversation, or social activities? For example, I worked with a family in San Mateo whose father had early stage dementia. Initially, they thought they needed a full-time nurse, but after assessing his needs, a non-medical caregiver with dementia experience was the better fit. Step 2. Understanding your hiring options. There are 3 primary ways to hire a caregiver, each with pros and cons. Option 1. Hiring through a home care agency. The agency does background checks, training, and scheduling. They handle payroll, insurance, and replacements if a caregiver doesn't work out. But here is a con to think about. An agency is more expensive due to agency fees. An agency is best for families who want a hands-off hiring process with guaranteed replacements. Option 2. Hiring a private caregiver, basically a direct hire. It's more affordable since there are no agency fees. Families have direct control over the hiring process. Here's a con. You must handle background checks, taxes, and scheduling. This option is best for families comfortable with managing payroll and liability to save money. Option 3, using a care registry or referral service. It's a middle ground between agency and direct hire. You can choose from pre-vetted caregivers, but still manage them yourself. Here is a con though. It has fewer guarantees if a caregiver doesn't work out. For example, a family I worked with in Alameda wanted cost savings, but didn't want the risk of a private hire. They used a care registry, allowing them to interview pre-vetted caregivers and select the best fit. Step 3. How to vet and interview caregivers. Once you've decided on a hiring method, screening candidates is critical. Step 1. Conduct a background check. Ensure they have no criminal history or past complaints. Check references from past clients. Step 2. Verify experience and certifications. Ask about CPR training, dementia care experience, and any medical certifications. Verify past work experience in similar care settings. Step 3. Ask the right interview questions. 1. What experience do you have working with seniors who need assistance with a specific need, such as Parkinson's disease, dementia, Hoyer lift transfers, bed-bound care? How do you handle emergencies such as a fall or medical issue? How do you engage seniors socially to improve their quality of life? What would you do if my parent refused care or became agitated? Pro tip: do a trial shift before committing long-term. Have the caregiver work for a day or a weekend to see how they interact with your loved one. Step 4. Understand costs and payment options. Caregiver costs in the San Francisco Bay Area are significantly higher than the state and national averages. For example, average cost of in-home care in the San Francisco Bay Area is as follows. 1. For a non-medical caregiver, a home care aide, or companion care, expect $40 to $45 per hour. 2. For a certified nursing assistant, CNA, or home health aide, expect $50 plus per hour. 3. For a registered nurse, RN home care, that's typically $80 plus per hour. How to pay for in-home care. You have different options. Number 1 is long-term care insurance. Some policies cover in-home caregivers, but coverage varies. 2. VA benefits. The VA Aid and Attendance Program helps veterans pay for care. 3. Reverse mortgages and home equity. Some families use home equity to fund care. For example, a family I worked with in Contra Costa initially thought they couldn't afford care. After reviewing their long-term care insurance policy, they realized they had coverage for 30 hours per week, significantly reducing out-of-pocket expenses. Hiring a caregiver doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is knowing your loved one's needs, understanding your hiring options, and thoroughly vetting caregivers. To learn more about my services, visit www.simplifyseniortransitions.com. Schedule a free consultation with me using the Calendly link in the video description box. And like and subscribe for more videos on senior transitions and real estate. And I'll see you on the next video.